What's good, y'all? It's a little cold out here, but today I'm about to be putting on these extended top hats. Hopefully there's 4 of them. I don't know if they're actually here. They're not. I never actually looked at them. Oh, they're not there. About to be putting on these extended top hats. I bottomed out on these train tracks super hard, and the car's not even that low. So I'm about to be, these will help the shock travel. So I'm about to be throwing these on, hopefully. And that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna look into this box a little more, and then I'll bring you guys back. Move the EG, and might try and fit in the garage. I don't know yet. Garage is a little messy. But yes, gonna start working on this hoe. And yeah. Got the keys for the EG. Make sure ain't nothing behind here. There actually are 4 extended top hats, so that's good. Oh, girls auto. Sadly. This thing's minty though. 227,000 miles. But we just did the head gasket in this. So that's pretty good. I don't know where my dog went. Oh, there he is. What do you guys think of the new Civic? You guys like it? I need to get those taillights redone ASAP. I'm about to move the other one by the garage, and see if I can actually go in the garage. Should have recorded that because that was bad. Get your ass inside. That was bad. As you guys can see, it was pretty bad. I don't even know if I want to do this right now. Yeah, should I? I don't know. Let me put the jack under and see, and I'll bring y'all back. Got a young driver over here. You guys have all seen this shit before. I'm gonna just take the one off right there, and then the 2 off on top, and the middle bolt, so the motherfucking shit comes off. I'm hoping that if I just take the bottom bolt off and it drops down far enough for me to get this old top hat off, so I could just slip the other one back on. But I don't know how that's gonna work yet or not, so we'll see about that. Hopefully it's not too bad though. You guys should know me by now. I already got all those out, but I'm gonna end up taking the spindle off the coilover, or the fork off the coilover, so I could take a collar out, because they're bottomed out right now. You know me, man. I'm just trying to go lower, man. That's all. Gotta straighten the wheel out though. I'm gonna end up taking one of these collars out, probably just the bottom one, to get me about 1/2 inch lower in the front, because you know, front's monster truck, and I could fit about 3 feet under the damn lip to the ground when it's on the ground. So just figured I'd give you guys an update. So you guys see it's already off, everything's good. I'm gonna just take the fork off and go from there. All right, boys, got the coil out, about to take the top hat off, and then take a collar off. And yep, just got the stock forks on here. Pretty sure, I don't know if I think you can get drop forks. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you cut and weld these forks you can get forks, welded forks and welded spindles right here. You cut this and weld that for camber and shit. I don't know if I'm going that crazy with this car yet or not. It's just supposed to be a daily, and it's not even supposed to be that low. So I just want to put the extended top hats on to help the ride, and try and maybe lower it a little bit, but not enough to where it'd make a difference. So I already got this bolt loose. I just gotta remember the way they came off. I gotta remember how to put them back on. So boom boom, and then we got a rubber piece on the bottom and a rubber piece on top, so that's easy. So I'm gonna go grab the extended top hat. So here's side by side comparison of the extended top hat and then the stock one. Last time I put these on the white Civic, you guys seen on my channel before, I don't think I used these, or I might have used these, I don't remember. I'm gonna try and use these actually, but yeah, so you guys see a difference. I'm gonna switch these over. All right boys, she's back in. Got the bolts all bolted up. This thing has camber gets, but they look like they're maxed out, and it looks like I have positive camber almost when the wheel's on. But got the extendos on. About to put the wheel back on this side. All right, got the other side out already. It's been about 10 minutes. Man, Hondas are so easy to work on. But the extended top hats come with these type of things, but they're hard plastic, so I just reused the old ones. So I just took a flathead. Oh, this is supposed to come out with it, but I'm gonna take the top off and get that deal out, and then I'll bring you guys back. All right, that was literally 2 seconds for me, but I got them out. And here, record this, man. Got the one, goes in here like that. Hold on, baby. Hold on. She's busy. And then this one just goes on top. Like I hope not. I changed the camera settings a little bit, so got this on. Took one color off. About to put it back together. Super easy on Hondas compared to the Mercedes, which I know that, but all right boys, front is done. Looks a little I don't know, man. Almost about to back up off here. Wish me luck, because there was a biscuit in here. Car, right? Oh. Let's go see the damage, boys. Oh, broke my zip tie. That was it though. Not that bad. Damn. Now I have to do the rear, man. I gotta tighten the lug nuts though. I don't know, man. Let me tighten these lug nuts. Alright, got the rear off. Much easier, just one bolt. Well, it's about the same, but you don't have to take the fork off to get the rear off. So got that off. About to take the fucking top hat off and we'll be good. Well boys, it's been a couple days. This project turned into more than I expected. I ended up putting them all back on. Top hats, car is way too low. I started fucking with the spring. Preload was way too bouncy. Went on test drive, it started bouncing hella bad in the rear, so I had to take them back off and fix the preload, and then I'm gonna raise the car about an inch and a half because the tires rub on the quarters super bad. So that's what I'm doing inside. The young Christmas tree, young Hossy boy. But yeah, I'm just fixing the preload and gonna try and finish him today. One last look before I put them on. Adjusted the preload and I raised it about an inch, I believe, or 3/4 of an inch. So hopefully it don't rub, because it's a pain in the ass to raise it on the car. So yep. Oh, that's weird. Well boys, here she is in her final stages for now. Just took the test drive. You can see we don't rub, or you can't see, but we don't rub. With I was sitting in the back, I was sitting in the front, I drove it, no rubbage, so that's good. And that's probably gonna be it for this video, because I got some other plans for the next video that I'm about to go get right now, and for the inside. So I'll bring you guys along with me for that. So I'm gonna edit this video and post it for y'all. We just put the extended top hats on. That's all we did in this video. Leaving the bumper off for now. You guys will see why in next video. But if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.